Hello everyone. Let us discuss the chemical machining process and related question which has been asked in the February-March 23. Uh, Please do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications and share the video with your friends so it will be helpful for others. So here there is one question which has been asked. Discuss the importance of steps in the chemical machining method. So along with these steps, we will understand the chemical machining process also. And this is a question which has been asked for the 10 marks. So let us start. So here in the chemical machining process, as the name itself suggests, chemical is used for the machining purpose. First of all, I will tell you in simple in Kannada and then I will same discuss in English. ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ದೊಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ಯಾವುದು ವರ್ಕ್ ಪೀಸ್ನ ಡೀಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲೇ ಮಷೀನಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂದರೆ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಮಷೀನಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ it has been explained here. You can see this one. Chemical machining is the process of removal material from the workpiece using the chemical reaction by immersing the workpiece into the solution. Workpiece will be dipping into the chemical, and because of the chemical reaction, the unwanted material is removed. But how it decides that a particular material has to be removed or some other material has to be kept? How it will going to decide? So that is the one procedure we will discuss here, and the same which has been asked, the importance of the steps in the chemical machining method. So here application of acidic or alkalic solution is used as a etchant. Etchant is nothing but a chemical which is used for the chemical reaction purpose. So here micro components and various micro electrochemical systems and the semiconductor industries are using this process. Heavy industries will be not using this because it is expensive and it requires a lot of the skill. So some semiconductor industries, electrochemical system, electrochemical system, such industries are using this one. So here you can see this, there is a container and heating and cooling coil, this one. So workpiece has been placed here. Etchant means this is solution, the liquid what it is being utilized, that is called as etchant. So different types of the etchants are there for the different materials. With the different, we have to use that one, then only you can remove the material, otherwise you cannot remove. So what is this mask and how the process that works we will going to see. So steps we will going to see. So first of all, before that we will understand what is the maskant. Maskant is nothing but it is the coating, the one type of a coating it will be provided where you don't want to machine, ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಷೀನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಮಾಸ್ಕಂಟ್ ಆರ್ ಮಸ್ಕಂಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈಡ್. ಅದನ್ನು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಷೀನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೇರ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಮಷೀನ್, ದಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕೆಪ್ಟ್ ಓಪನ್. So here the muscat will not allow etchant to penetrate. Etchant means that solution. So here you can see this one. Different etchants are used for the different materials. So here for the iron, some materials are there. So FeNO for Ag, HF, Ti for tool steel, okay, HF for titanium, HMO for the tool steel, FeCl is used for the Al, Cu, Ni and their alloys. Okay, these are the different metals which are being utilized for the different process. So important answer of that question which has been asked is from here. First step is cleaning. First step is cleaning. You have to clean the surface of the workpiece. Cleaning process, we are having two different types of the cleaning process. That is, one is mechanical and another one is chemical cleaning process. So here one thing we need to remember that cleaning process is done because we should remove all the oil or the grease, that is some dust particles which are present on the surface. You have to remove that one. Then only machining process can take place in the proper manner. So here you can you should ensure that no oil, grease which will present on the surface. Or cleaning is difficult for the porous workpiece, means small some rough surface if it is there, then it is difficult for cleaning. As I told, mechanical and chemical methods are there. So usually chemical mesh method is preferred, but in some cases if more it is the surface is rough or some unwanted particles are there, and then mechanical cleaning method is used. So then masking means here in the maskant, the maskants are inert in nature. Okay, they do not react with the chemical. So maskant is used on the means gently on the surface. It is applied, and that maskant is let on that surface. Then scribing means you have to remove the maskant where you want to machine, from the where you want to machine. ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಮಷಿನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿರ್ತೈತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಸ್ಕಂಟ್ ಹಚ್ಚೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಷಿನ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಥವಾ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮಸ್ಕಂಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಷಿನಿಂಗ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಸ್ಕಂಡು ಮಾಡೋದಿದೆ, ಅದು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನೀವು ಮಸ್ಕಂಡ್ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಎ ಮಾಸ್ಕ್. ಸೊ ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಮಸ್ಕಂಟ್ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಸ್ಕಂಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಅದೇ ವರ್ಕ್ ಪೀಸ್ನ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಡೀಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರ. ಸೊ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಡಿಪ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ಸೇಮ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಪೀಸ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದಿ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್. ಸೊ ವೆರೆವರ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಮಸ್ಕಂಟ್ there will be no chemical reaction, and wherever there is no maskant there will be chemical reaction, and that chemical reaction will remove the material. So etching is the process, chemical process, where carried out at some particular temperature to avoid the uneven or bubbles formation or uneven machining. Avoid करने के लिए you have to maintain the proper temperature. So this is nothing but etching. So etching material removal rate, formula for the etching is E is equal to S divided by T. S is the rate of etching and S is the depth of cut, I is the image. You can just remember. Then demasking means after chemical process you have to take out and remove the maskant. Then you have to wash that workpiece. So finally you will get machined product. So wherever you have applied the maskant, the material is not removed. Wherever there is an open surface, that surface get contact with the chemical, that is the etchant, and etchant will be with the reaction, etchant will remove the material from the surface, and this is how the machining takes place in the chemical machining. So other parameters and are also there, but we'll discuss in other question or other video. We'll discuss that one. So thank you for watching the video. Please share the video with your friends.